His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Shamim Saeed from Maldives.
Excellency, thank you very much for the kind invitation to attend the conference. Actually, I have very good memories with Pakistan. I studied in Pakistan 30 years ago. I was in Lahore. That time the governor of Punjab was Shehbaz Sharif. Today he is the Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan. I am really proud of this moment.
तो फिर पंजाबी में बात करें.
अभी भूल गया sir. Actually sir, that time I really remember those days. Actually we were getting everything freely, food and accommodation and transportation. Even the public bus we show the student card, they are not getting money from us. Today we are here because of this effort done by the Pakistani people. Today I really thank from the bottom of my heart. I can say thank you Pakistan, thank you Pakistani people. Regarding the conference, Excellency, the first message of Islam is to read, to educate. Allah Azza wa Jal says, "Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq." We have to implement this message among human beings. So we really thank the initiative taken by Your Excellency and the Muslim World League to implement this message among human beings. Thank you very much, Excellency.